All right, so now it's time to do a little upgrade on the interior of this truck, and it's all about the sound, right? Talking about music, not just the exhaust of the vehicle. You know, there's a radio that's sitting inside there right now that doesn't work, it doesn't look right, it's just kind of hacked together. That's not what we're looking for. So what we're gonna do is turn to the guys from Custom Autosound, give us a period correct radio that has all the features you would want out of a radio of today.
So in other news, Custom Autosound's having a really good year because this year they won a SEMA award for Mobile Electronic Device of the Year, and that's for the USA-850. That's a different system, but this is more the bread and butter. This is the USA-230, right? This is a nice, affordable method that you can put in there, and you can see what it's going to look like. And like you said, it's going to look period correct, but with all the new amenities, right? With all the plugins, and you can hook the Bluetooth to it, and you can do all this other stuff.
Yeah, you know, we've got a new bezel for it, so it'll drop right in place and look like it should, but it's got 16 presets. You can hook your iPod to it, your iPad, MP3 players. The USA-230 has an aux-in where you can hook up any external Bluetooth module, Sirius dock and play, or any portable device that has a headphone jack or an auxiliary out.
And we'll go ahead and pair that up with the Undercover II, which is a great solution for sound when you've got limited room because it's a full-range speaker that you can mount flat underneath the seats, or you could mount them vertically if that worked out better for you. So you've got options. And then over here, we've got the 3001 DVC. So that's going to replace that old dash speaker, that old mono dash speaker.
Yeah, and it's easy to install as well.